good? It's your boy back in the lab. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit like, comment, and subscribe. But you already know why you're here. You seen the thumbnail. Let's get into the shoe. In my opinion, this is one of the top releases of 2023. What we have here is the Jordan Airship. So let's get into the shoes. All right, man. Here's a box. This is a part of the International Flight Club collection. We got postcards on the outside of the box. We got Beijing, Philippines, Tokyo, Detroit, Paris, and South Africa. And last but not least, we got my hometown, Cincinnati, Ohio, the Queen City. Let's get into the shoe, man. So we got Jordan International Flight Club branded on the inside. Our shoe paper is the fountain in downtown Cincinnati. That's a nice touch. I really like that. This Nike or Jordan Airship is a collaboration with Corporate. We got white laces on here. We got a hang tag that says Corporate. On the reverse side, we got Air Jordan International Flight Club. You know what I'm saying? And then we got Corporate branding right here. And we got Got 'em on the rear. You already know what that Got 'em is about. You know what I'm saying? If you taking L's or getting dubs on the Nike sneakers app, you know what Got 'em means. Also, Corporate Got 'em is... That's the tag, you know what I'm saying, for Corporate. Like, they got them. They always got them. So, let me go ahead and read you a little official info on the shoe. This special collaborative iteration of the Jordan Airship has Cincinnati-based sneaker shop Corporate teaming up with Jordan brand to create a unique look for the Airship. Corporate prides itself on playing an active role in the community. They're also known for promoting local brands and artists and help them expand their reach. They also run a non-profit called Bigger Than Sneakers, and this helps teams find their path. So, the Corporate by Jordan Airship comes dressed in a Light Menta, silver Kinetic Green, and we got a sail colorway on here. I can see a little bit of sail. Then we got the gray on the outsole. So it's a suede upper, and yeah, man, this is a shoe. So the very most prominent and defining features on the shoe is gonna be the Corporate branding on the lateral heel. So, in the shop's Got 'em slogan, which I already let you know about that. And on the inside, not this shoe, the other shoe, it says for the city. So I'm going to take that one out so you can see that. If I sound a little, you know what I'm saying, I got a little twinge in the throat, so I need a cough drop. Let's get the other shoe out. Put that box down. Oh, we got extra laces. Same color as the shoe. And yeah, on the inside it says for the city. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I'll get in the B-roll. This shoe I didn't get on release. Release was September 15th, and I had to put in a little extra work to get these because nobody had them. Like, I couldn't just be like, hey man, I need a size 10 of them Airships. I ended up having to get them off StockX, which, I mean, I supported the brand but didn't support it indirectly because I had to get it from a third party. So it still counts, and I got my pair. You know what I'm saying? I got them.
Like like you lost another one.
Ladies and gentlemen, or whatever you want to be called, don't eat me up in the comments. This is the Jordan Airship by Corporate. Corporate got them. Hopefully you can get a pair if you like this shoe. I paid a little bit over retail. Retail was $150, and it's a fire shoe, man. If you don't know about the Airship, the Airship model is actually the shoe that the NBA deemed to be not in the color scheme of being predominantly white when MJ was playing before the Jordan 1 came out. So a lot of people think that the Jordan 1 bread colorway was the actual colorway that was banned. It was not. It was the bread colorway of the Airship that wasn't predominantly white. It was a black and red color. So I'm going to put that somewhere right here so you can see that shoe. And these are the kicks, man. Like always, thanks for watching Unbox on T and Tony TV. And I'm out. Slogan.